Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a shortcut from a website onto your desktop. First things first, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's jump right into it. So I have a website here. It's tsn.ca, and I want to put a shortcut on my desktop here that is gonna, where I can click onto it and right away I'll get into the tsn.ca website page. So how you do that in Google Chrome is you go to the three dots here in the top right hand corner, and then you scroll down to cast, save, and share. From here you'll go all the way down and go create shortcut, and then you can name it whatever you want. So you can go TSN homepage, homepage, create it, and then it'll show you exactly where it is. So it's in the desktop folder, which you'll be able to see right here as well. It even has the logo and everything. Another way you can do it is if you right click on your desktop and then go to new and then shortcut, and then you can type the location of the item, or if you want to, you can just type in www.tsn.ca, hit next, or that's just my example, you can put in whatever you want, hit next, and then name it TSN page, hit finish, and then it'll create it for you right away. You just won't have the logo or anything like that. You can open it, test it if it works, and voila, just like that, it is working. Yeah. This one I feel like is a lot more cleaner just because it has a TSN logo. But whatever your preference is, you can do either or. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.